So the first sign up is this one here. Let me know in the comments genuinely whether you know what this sign means. Just type something in, the first thing that comes to mind. What does this sign mean to you if you saw this on a road as you were driving around in the UK? So for those of you that haven't got this already, this means it's a warning that there is traffic crossing in both directions when otherwise you are on a one-way road. Did you get that one? Be honest and let me know in the comments below. The next sign up is this one here. Here's the answer, and let me know whether you think this is obvious or not. This sign means that you are diverted onto a temporary piece of road on a sharp bend for a short period of time. Next, how about this sign here with a cute little frog in the middle? Warning about frogs? Yes, that's exactly what it means. It means that there are migratory frogs coming across the road, so it is warning you that there are frogs on the road. Yes, we do have a sign in the United Kingdom that warns us about frogs crossing the road. Maybe they should have one for chickens as well, or would that raise too many jokes? Chicken jokes in the comments, please. The next sign in the study is this one here. Hopefully this is a little bit easier. Again, it's a triangle. Again, it's a warning. Let me know in the comments what you think this one means. It means that there is a risk of grounding for long vehicles ahead. The next sign may confuse some of you because ordinarily an arrow is telling you which direction you must go. So this sign here, obviously in a circle, has some kind of order attached to it, but there's an arrow to the left and to the right. So let me know in the comments what you think this sign actually means and be precise about it, because there are two arrows left and right, whereas ordinarily it's an arrow to the left telling you to keep left, to the right telling you to keep right, and so on. So in fact, this sign is as obvious as it might seem. It tells you that you can go to the left or to the right, which in some areas has obviously become necessary because they've made a sign about it to tell vehicles that you can go to the left and to the right. This sign here is an interesting one because ordinarily it looks like something you shouldn't be doing. So you might be forgiven for thinking that this is somehow wrong. This actually means that parking partially on the verge is allowed within the marked bays. I haven't personally seen one of these. Let me know in the comments if you've seen one yourself. This sign here is obviously aimed at heavy vehicles, and it's an order because it's in a circle. This sign means no vehicles that have in excess of 2 tons per axle. This sign here I've used in another video, so I'm using it again because it had quite the comical reaction. It doesn't have anything to do with Ford motor vehicles, although I managed to find a Ford vehicle driving across a ford. And that's obviously what this means. It means that there is an area of the river that is low enough for vehicles to pass across. Finally, I'm going to leave you with a rather explosive sign of this one here, which is some kind of order with a car in the middle which appears that it's blowing up. It's not an order that your car must blow up. In fact, quite the reverse. It is an order that no vehicles carrying explosives may enter this area. Obviously, this is going to have a very narrow application, but nonetheless, they've created a sign for it. So if you found this video entertaining, please give it a thumbs up. I enjoy doing these kind of videos as an aside from my normal content. And please remember, stay humble and subscribe.